One of the perks of being a freelance contractor is that you can register for the Flat Rate Vat scheme. And if you don't know what that is, I'll give you a brief overview, but I really recommend you speak to your accountant who can go into more detail. For most people, the VAT process is viewed as a bit of a hassle. And as an independent contractor, I doubt that you're spending enough on goods and services to make it worth your while registering to claim back VAT. However, there are a couple of advantages to being VAT registered. Number one is that being VAT registered adds a degree of credibility to your business. And number two is that you can register for the Flat Rate VAT scheme to boost your profits a little bit. Now, stay with me while I explain. Regular VAT is currently set at 20%. And for most VAT registered business, they charge VAT to their customers and that gets sent to HMRC. Any VAT they are charged, they then claim back from HMRC. This is offset during the VAT return process. And it was all seen as a little bit complicated. So the Flat Rate VAT scheme was brought in to simplify the process for freelancers, independent contractors, small businesses. And what it means is that if you're registered for the Flat Rate VAT scheme, you get to keep some of your VAT. So let's imagine you bill your client £5,000. Add VAT, 20%, that makes the total invoice £6,000. For most oilfield freelancers, they will be registered with the Flat Rate VAT scheme at 12%. Check with your accountant though, don't just take my word for it. This means that you need to pay HMRC 12% of the total invoice, or £720. The rest, £5,280, is for you. Or to put it another way, you make an extra £3,360 a year for submitting 4 VAT returns and collecting some tax for the government. There are some caveats. To qualify, your turnover has to be below £150,000 in your first year and has to stay below £230,000 in subsequent years. You also can't claim back any VAT on purchases. Well, that is unless you're spending more than £2,000 on capital assets in one go and on one receipt. Then you can claim back the VAT. Don't just take my word for it though, speak to an accountant for some more details, but I think it's worth having a look at the Flat Rate VAT scheme. And that's the way it is.